Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact photo, specs the form requires, and preparing the image accordingly. Open an image editor or phone app and crop to the prescribed dimensions. Save as JPG and compress until the file is under the size limit. Once done, log in to the Cuet application portal using your application ID and password. Make sure you are on the personal details or photo upload page, so the next steps are immediate and you do not lose session time. You click the Upload Photo or Choose File button and select your prepared JPG from the device. Do this promptly to avoid session timeouts. After selecting, use the portal preview to align your face within the provided frame and use on-screen rotate or zoom if available. Once the preview looks correct, hit the confirmation or crop button so the portal stores the processed image. If the portal rejects the file size or format, re-edit the image offline and reattempt immediately to keep progress. You save the form and verify the upload by looking for a confirmation message or the thumbnail of your photo on the application page. Make sure to click any Final Save or Submit buttons so the image is locked to your record. If the upload fails, try clearing your browser cache, switching to Chrome or Firefox, or using another device. These quick fixes often resolve format and session issues. Finally, download or screenshot the confirmation and keep the accepted photo file as a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.